let's get to it. And there's so much to Pavones that is like, it's incredible. And these are like the top things that I wish I knew like on the first time coming here. With that being said, let's get right into it, you guys. Let's go.
Hit your ass, get back again, tippy toe, ballerina, ballerina, ballerina. Maybe I gotta be a ballerina, maybe I gotta do some tight roping. No, another wave, boom, down.
And so a quick tip for that is when it's high tide, it's actually easier because there's more water. So as soon as that like wave comes in, you just kind of jump, throw your board and paddle. And then as soon as you kind of like, you're gonna start drifting a little, just try to get out there. But coming in, you're always gonna have to come in and like step on it, so it's gonna be like really annoying. Paddle out. Low tide, literally you gotta walk out a while on these rocks till you actually hit the water, and then once you're in the water, you still gotta go and like, and there's holes, there's rocks, and there's barnacles, and they'll just cut you up. So the best thing to do is kind of wait for the white water like to hit you, let it pass, and then look down once it kind of gets clear again, so you can actually see where you're going, because it's actually very dangerous if you start walking out on these rocks and you just step in a hole or like a thing, twist your ankle. Like it's kind of sketch. But then definitely it's a lot easier once you let the white water pass and you can see where you're going. And also definitely wait for the set to pass to go. So if there's a big set, don't go in. It's gonna be like, you're just gonna get wrecked. The white water is gonna hit you, you're gonna fall back, and then like your fins are done. Definitely wait for the waves to calm after the set, and then shoot, run, get there as fast as you can and make it out there. But definitely the rocks, these Pavones rocks, man, they fucking suck. Next tip, after the wave you have to get out and walk all the way back to the main peak, because this wave is so long that you literally can't paddle. You paddle, you're gonna be stuck in a treadmill, you're not gonna go anywhere. So after you have your ride, get out and walk all the way back through the Pavones trail. They even have like a trail there with like little stones and everything, and you walk out to the main break, back, boom, catch the wave at the peak, go all the way through, and then back out again. It's like a circle of life. But if you guys are still paddling out there, no. So here you go, you're gonna do a lot of walking. You paddle, you're gonna like tire yourself out, and you're just gonna burn, and you're done for the day. Super important tip, one that I learned maybe my third time going there. You have to be very, very selective with your waves. This isn't like one of those beaches where you just go and just surf whatever and then come back at another one. No, here it's like you sit out there, be very selective. You catch your one wave and you go. You probably catch two waves and you're out. It's not one of those places where you just catch a lot of waves and then leave. No, you sit out there, you wait for your wave, you make sure it's a freaking good wave and it's gonna connect, and then you go for it. If you're not feeling 100%, do not go. I've made this mistake so many times out there, and then you're just stuck for hours. So again, wave selection is key. Okay, the most important tip I'm gonna give you guys, like the most important, this is really the whole reason why I made this video, was just to share this. And literally, when you catch the wave, again, be selective. You catch a wave, you're going for miles, you're riding the longest wave of your life. You go, all of a sudden you fall off, you didn't make the section, now you're stuck in the penalty box. Oof, oh, it's the worst. So when you fall off, you bail, whatever, now you're in what's called the penalty box. So what's the penalty box? It's like where all the leftovers are. All the people who didn't make it are like, fuck, I suck. And you're just stuck in this like maybe pit of like maybe 20 people just waiting to catch another wave and connect it all the way in. So these people are riding all the way from the peak, right? Super far out there. They're coming in and you're like, oh, he's gonna fall, he's not gonna make it. Like literally guys, he's gonna make it. It's the like second longest wave of the world and he's just gonna zip by you. And like that, everybody else. So you're just there hoping, and you're sitting there for hours hoping that someone's gonna fall and you're gonna take the wave in. And it just doesn't happen. So literally when you're in this penalty box, literally if you sit there for like 10 minutes and you see it's not happening, literally paddle in, because it's literally, you get stuck in this illusion that someone's gonna fall off, they're not gonna make it, and then let's say someone does fall off, there's already like 15 guys in front of you and they're gonna catch it. And it's a really uncomfortable situation to be in the penalty box. But once you realize that you've been there for too long, literally just paddle to the shore and go to the peak, because that's literally where everyone's catching it. They just go to the peak. And once you're stuck there, you're stuck there. So once you feel like it's been enough, you just gotta go out. And literally, there's been so many times where I'm just so frustrated because I'm there and I'm like, no, it's gonna come. Nope. Next guy. Whoop. Oh, this one. I'm gonna go paddle for this one. Nope. Somebody's on it. Oh no, this one's gonna be my wave. It's gonna bring me to shore. Nope. So yeah. So now you're stuck in the penalty box. How do I get out, Splash? How do I get out of the penalty box? So what I realized, and I was watching these locals, right, like these pros out here, and literally you'll see them out there. They're really good. They'll take the wave from the peak all the way back, and they'll come back, walk the beach, go back again, and you'll still be in the penalty box, and they'll be catching wave after wave. That's them right there. Yep, those are the pros. You're gonna see them. You're going to Pavones. You're gonna check them out. You're gonna be like, shit, they're on every wave, but hey, they know what's up, and I've been kind of like following them and seeing what it is they do. And literally when you're stuck in the penalty box, the best thing to do is kind of paddle a little bit towards the inside, and that way when the wave kind of like shoots up a little bit on the inside, so everyone will miss it because they're waiting for the set wave, which someone's most likely on that wave, and they're just gonna be stuck there forever. So if you paddle a little bit towards the inside, you'll get like that wave that didn't really ramp up or didn't really reform, no one caught it at the peak, and then you can catch it on that little inside at the penalty box, and then that will ride you another million miles that way, and then you can safely walk back to the beginning, walk over to the main peak, and then try it again. But definitely being stuck in the penalty box sucks. Freaking get out. I'm telling you guys, you could be stuck there all day and burnt out, and you caught like half a wave, and that's your whole day. You caught half a wave. I mean, you rode it for miles, but then after that you're stuck there in this hope. And this is like the most frustrating thing you can do. And I've learned, like, when you're in there, you got to get out, because it's the second longest wave of the world. They're gonna make it. I mean, you either snake them, and you don't want to do that, or you just wait your turn. So if you're stuck in the penalty box, paddle in and get the fuck out of there. Get out of there. Last tip: bring a step-up board. Bring a bigger board. The bigger board is going to allow you to just make that section and just go all the way. And people here, for the most part, are just trying to get ahead. Just trying to get ahead and get in that sweet spot. Once you're in the sweet spot, you can go to turns, you can do all these slashes, cutbacks, snaps, whatever you want. But you really need to be in that sweet spot, and a bigger board will really allow you to get there like really easily. A lot of people do bring short boards and stuff, but like you're going to have to really pump and really get in that spot, and you might make the section, you might not. But tip is bring a step-up board, because something like a 6, maybe like a 7, maybe even just like a heavier board, but like short, a lot of volume, help you paddle in, kind of give you a nice glide, you know. But for sure, bring a bigger board. Out there, guys are riding bigger boards, so bring your short board and bring like, you know, like little bigger board, you know. Bring your short board, bring a step-up. Definitely. You'll be happy. You'll have so much fun. You'll pass everybody. I did that. So last time I didn't. So that's one thing I learned on my journey. All right, you guys. So now you know. Overall, when you're going up Pavones, pack before you go. Buy all your goods, because there's nothing there. 2, park at the first parking lot, because the other one is super inconvenient and it's just overall better option. 3, bring a step-up board and your best leash, because these waves are powerful. Even the white water on the inside will just freaking hit you like a truck. Be mentally prepared that your feet are going to get wrecked by these rocks, So if you got rock socks or booties or anything like that, they will help. You look like a total dingus, but I mean, your feet are gonna get wrecked. Once you get in the penalty box, if you see that you're just not going anywhere, paddle towards the inside, catch a small one, it will reform and bring you all the way out. Or you could wait there for the rest of your life in the freaking penalty box in Pavones. I swear to God, like there's people there that just grow old and got beers. And overall, it's a great trip, but I wish I knew these things coming in. So see you next time, and hopefully not in the penalty box. Pura vida.